Hey everyone, what's up? I have a question. What's small, fast, fits in your pocket, and can do awesome stuff super quick? The answer may or may not surprise you as we check it out on this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Hey everybody, what's up, and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host Kevin. Hello, hi, how's everyone doing? Well, me, I'm fine too. So, if you like this video, please give it a like whenever you can. There's a button there where you can do that. I will also remind everyone, if you can subscribe, please do so as well. We love it when you do that. And there's a notification bell. Click on that so you know when we drop another episode of Good Tech Cheap. So today we have a neat little product. It is a charger. It is made by AOHI. Their brand tagline is to charge, to explore. And why do they have such a tagline? Well, they have made the world's smallest, most powerful charger for all your various devices. And that is what we're going to be talking about right here today. AOHI is actually the brand new product line of a long-established company called AOHI. They are located in China. They are experts in making electronic things that have a large global share of people buying those things because they make those electronic things very well. AOHI was founded in 2004. That's right. They were the first company to have a stock option going public in the charging industry. Charging technology has come a long way since 2004, and that is why today we're going to be talking about the world's smallest 30-watt charger, where your standard for the longest time was a 5-watt charger that took a long time to charge phones, tablets, and devices even back in the day. Now that everything is bigger, more powerful, has higher resolution, it takes more juice. Juice means electricity. So it's really cool to have a company that does leaps and bounds of technological evolution to give all of us things that make our lives easier. AOHI has a manufacturing base in China, Indonesia, and India. They have a workforce of 5,000 people. And their products serve buyers in more than 100 countries all around the world. Their 300 engineers have gotten over 267 patents, and the company works with many famous brands. Let's see what we got here. We got Google and Amazon and Belkin, Vivo, Xiaomi, Oppo. I mean, there's plenty more. The company has achieved 14.5% of the global charging market. Today, we're talking about the Magcube. This is a 30-watt charger that is designed to be the world's smallest, and it is, and we're going to show it to all of you in just a moment. It's small, yet powerful, and it's the same size as the 5-watt charger originally introduced by Apple. It has a higher watt density than any other charger on the market. AOHI's is 1.18 centimeters to the third power. Most other companies only have 1 watt per centimeter to the third power. It's powered by GaN and tech, the latest GaN and tech. You're going to get fast USB-C connectivity, and your Magcube is going to be able to charge your devices with 6 times more power and 3 times more quickly than comparable chargers that are bigger, clunkier, slower, and I bet you more expensive. You even get an indicator light that shows you on the device if your device that's charging is not capable of showing you what level of charging your device is at. You got an amber blinking light? That means it's a fast charging status. You got a solid blue light? That's standard charging status. You got a solid green light? That's triple charging status. And Magcube comes with a chipset from Power Integration, which is the same company that actually fueled the original Apple 5-watt charger. Magcube can be used to power all sorts of devices. Your laptops, your tablets, your iPads, your gaming headphones, your regular headphones, your Bluetooth earpieces, anything out there, yeah, you're going to be covered. But hey, don't take my word for it. Let's go to our product review on-hand tester, on-the-ground extraordinaire. Hey, Matt.
Sure. Yeah, I'll do it. I'll review it. Sure. All right. Sure. Look, it's stuff like it's here. It came. I'll do it. Yeah. Well, I gotta say, one of the best things about it is that it's USB-C. So let's just go ahead and get that out of the way. It doesn't matter how you plug it in. So no more of that like fear of like the monster under your bed while you're trying to like plug in your cable. Literally, it doesn't matter which way you plug it in. It's going to work. It's USB-C. It's double-sided. But now that we got the obvious out of the way, let's look at the next obvious. Okay, do you guys see what I see? Okay. This is a traditional Apple charger right here, right? So this charges my iPad. This is also a 20-watt charger. You see it? It doesn't look so big when it's by itself, but when you compare it next to this 30-watt charger, that's right, this has 10 extra watts. This is more powerful than this. So this official Apple charger that's set up for my iPad is bigger and weaker than this. Isn't that mind-boggling? So things are only going to get better. The charger also has an LED light built into it, so it can actually tell you and update you in real time if it's fast charging or just using like a lower wattage. The colors I've seen so far are green, it's on, blue, and orange. I'm going to assume that orange is my fast charging because anytime I plug that up to my iPad or anything, the light on it turns orange, which makes me think it is using the full 30 watt. Otherwise, the light has been blue, so I'm going to guess that it might be using a lower wattage. Based on that, the cable is also phenomenal. Yes, that's right. The cable is great. It's fantastic. It's such high quality. It has like a fiber threading casing all throughout the cable. It's really nice, high quality. And also, I don't know what it is, but every time I use the Apple cables, they don't really like click into place. They sort of like just slide in kind of loosely. Anytime I've used these cables from AOHI, it has been really nice. There's kind of like a clicking sound, right? So once I push the USB plug in, it's like some other little gesture basically, but like you can actually hear it click in into most devices, and then it's actually launched into place. So if you have a fear of the cable slipping out or popping out or anything like that, I've not experienced that at all. It's just been the best, highest quality kind of cables I've used yet. Oh, so what I recommend, yes, most definitely look at it right here. It's all very affordable, high quality products, right? So if you're worried about your cables breaking or snapping or the headpieces popping off or anything like that, that's not the case here at all. Just high quality, good pieces of electronics. And we recommend you to check them out. So thanks so much. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Look, all right, it's the easiest thing you guys have ever asked me to do. Why is this better than this? Well, like I already explained, this is big and slow. This is small and fast. It's that simple. Thanks, guys. See you later. Back to you.
Pretty neat, right? And you know one of the best things that I like about it? Not just the tech, but the price. In honor of Good Tech Cheap, you can get your Magcube 30W world's smallest charger for only $29.99. $29.99. Much cheaper than some other chargers from some big name companies, fruit related. There's a link in the description below. Give it a click. Buy one today, because that price is really great for the tech that you're getting. Well, I think that just about wraps it up for today. We would like to thank AOHI for sending us the Magcube 30W world's smallest charger. As you can see, it works splendidly, and we give it a hearty thumbs up. We think it is something that everyone out there will like and will be very useful to have. So there you go. One more time, click on that link in the description below. That almost rhymed. Not really. Oh well. Alright, that does wrap up our video today. So from Los Angeles, California, I've been your host, Kevin, and always will wish everyone to stay kind and be safe. And we will see you next time. Bye for now.